Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to prep your skin before applying heavy makeup. But before that you have to wash your face with your favorite face wash so that all the germs and dirt can be removed. Now let's see step by step how to prep your skin. Step number 1, moisturizer. So this is very basic and the most important step. As per your skin tone you can choose which type of moisturizer you want to use. It helps to hydrate your skin, so apply it on all your face and neck and gently massage for 2 minutes. Second step is use facial oil. So this is the most favorite part. Apply the facial oil on your face and gently massage it for 2 minutes. And after that your skin become very glowing and shining. And also it helps to stay your makeup for a long time. Dry skin people must regularly use facial oil, and oily skin people can avoid this step, but if you ask me, don't avoid because results are amazing. Third step is a primer. Primer helps to fill up your open pores, so while applying it you should be focused on your T-zone. T-zone means forehead, nearby nose and chin areas. And after that you can spread it all over your face. So after applying primer your skin becomes smooth like canvas, so after that you can use your foundation evenly and easily on your face. Fourth and the last step is lip balm. Now your skin ready for heavy party or wedding makeup. So guys, I hope you like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video which will be in detail heavy makeup look. So till then, bye bye, take care.